Hi, I'm here with Matt Oldergees. I'm the head of business development with Valence Industrial. I am sitting with one of our top customers, Axis Corporation. Matt, tell us about this awesome piece of equipment.
This is our self-propelled dump trailer. This dump trailer can be towed at highway speeds and self-propel in the job site, cemetery, construction site, any backyards, anything. Unique things. We have a Honda engine. We have a full drivetrain that is a 3/4 ton axle. It will maneuver around corners. It'll climb hills, all with having a 3.5 cubic yard capacity dump bed on it. So,
And Matt, tell us, why did you choose Valence?
I chose Valence. Just they are very, very good at what they do. They have a very great engineering team. They reverse engineered quite a bit of our stuff. They took the cost out of our stuff. Their parts, equipment available for them to have that they use is just phenomenal. They can do stuff that we couldn't do in the manufacturing process, which then leads us to better cost savings and better products.
Thanks, Matt. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.